Hi everyone, this is Miss Hess and I'm just going to give you a quick overview of your physics course. When you log in, this is what you're going to see, your student homepage. You'll notice over here that you have on the front your announcements, a calculator, your report card, and what's new, any kind of notifications that come in. If you hit the announcements button, you'll be able to see all of the announcements that are in here. First thing I want you to do is go ahead and read these things that pertain to the course. I'll let you go ahead and read those. There's a link to the pacing guide. There's also a welcome video which will explain the things that are listed below. So go ahead and watch that video. You'll also see this video that introduces the course to you, although I'm making it right now, so that's why you can't see it. Over here on this side, there's a class overview. When you click into this, you'll see the syllabus and the pacing guide. And finally, some teacher information, and this is my contact information that you can use to contact me. This work phone number does take text and phone calls, so this is the number you want to use to text or call me, and my email address. Now you'll notice over here that there are two units. These units are the units that are going to be used in the first term. While we go to the next term, the next 9 weeks, you'll see more units appear. When you click into the first unit, you'll notice that there are a lot of different tabs here. You're going to start off with section 1. This will open into a blank screen. Now, because of the Blackboard that we're using right now, a lot of these things are blocked by your security blocker. Up here, and I'm using Firefox, you'll see a little shield. You're going to click on that shield. You're going to disable protection for this page. And you'll notice that when you go back in and you click into a section, that the section comes up. And this is what your section looks like. You're just going to scroll through the tabs at the bottom of each page. You can move from page to page and navigate your course. The only time that you'll have to click that box again to access information is if you go in and take a quiz. Say like I want to take quiz 2 and I press begin. This one, the information comes up, but on some of them, if they're images, you'll have to go back up here and click the shield again and unblock the content. That will push you back out to the start homepage, but when you go back into the quiz, you'll be able to attempt it. It will not count as an attempt against you, so don't worry if you log in and you can't get the information. Down here are discussion boards. You don't have any discussion boards in the first 9 weeks. They actually come in the second semester, so you don't have to worry about that right now. Study guides are important because this is where your extra credit's going to come from. If you click into Unit 1, you'll notice that there's a study guide. The study guide is in a Word document, and it should show up. There it is. The study guide is in a Word document, and as you go through, you want to go ahead and you can either copy and paste information or you can print this out and write it down. Once you've completed the study guide, feel free to email the study guide to me, and I will give you extra credit for it. The extra credit will either come in the form of your graded assignments during that 9 weeks, or will be used in your exam or your semester grade, whichever one's going to benefit you the most. And you'll see underneath here is My Grades. If we click into My Grades, this is going to be your grade book. You'll see that you start with a letter F and a term 1 grade. These are going to actually disappear at the beginning until you get some grades. You'll see 2 grades up here. The first one will be your cumulative grade for the 9 weeks, which is going to count every assignment that is not completed as a 0. And you'll also see a grade of current assignments. As you go down, you can see right now that I've submitted quiz 2. That's the quiz that I was on before. But you'll also see that you have a list of assignments and due dates. These are all of the assignments that you have. Navigate the course. Feel free to look. If you have a hidden menu, this button right here is generally where everything hides. And let me know if you have any questions.